Hello, teachers. Now I'm going to show you how to use the URL function if you want to share something that is in your websites to practice. Now, let me explain this. This is a course, an example of a course, and you will normally have a section, an activity there that we added for you that is a websites to practice activity. Now, if you click on it, there is a list of websites which you can share with your students. Now, let's say you don't want to share all of these with them, but you checked them and you said, okay, maybe this one is interesting. So you go there and you check it, and as you see, you can check it. You can see, okay, it's A2, it's appropriate for them. You check the exercise and you say, okay, this is something that I want to do, to share with my students. Maybe I want to do it with them in class or give it to them as homework. So in that case, you can go to your course again. So let's go. We are in the fast track 4. Yes, we click on turn editing on, and you can open this on a different tab. So you right click on it, open link in new tab, and here you can check all your list of websites, but we have this one open already. So I want to share this one with them. Now you just go to your course again and you click on add an activity or resource. You click on the URL tool and you put here, I don't know, you want to review of all verb tenses A2, for example. You can copy this and you can go back to your URL section. That's the title you want to put, and here is where you're going to put the URL. So this is the URL, the address. Okay, so you select it and click on right click on it, copy, and then you go back to this editing URL and you paste it there. Okay, now here you can add a description. So maybe you want it to appear on the course page, so you can say click on the link above, because this is going to appear below the link itself. So you can put it, click on the link above to practice to practice. You can say this is homework, for example, and you will click on display description on course page so that it appears there on the course page itself. Now, again, with URLs, I like to choose here the in pop-up option so that it opens in a different window. And here you can choose whatever you want. Like, for example, you can say do not indicate activity completion, or students can manually mark the activity as completed, or they have to, you can click on show activity as complete when conditions are met, and they have to view this activity to complete it. Now we can save and return to course, and you will see your activity there. Now, as usual, we will click on edit and move it to the right so that you have it aligned with the other activities. And if you want them to see it, remember that you have to make this section visible. So you have to show this section, and all of these will still be hidden, so you have to show the activity. Okay, and now you can click on turn editing off, and they will see this part. Okay, this, and if they click on it, it will open a pop-up window where they can do the exercises. They can make it bigger if they want to, or smaller, and they can even maximize it or minimize it again and close it. And it will be marked as complete when they view it. Now, this is the description that we remember that we checked the checkbox that said show description on course page. So this is what it means. It shows the description on the course page so they see it and they know what they have to do with this. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I hope it helps.